my channel. As I promised you 2 months ago, when I posted a poll in the community post of my channel, you were telling me which OS I should torture next. And all of you chose Windows XP Professional Ultralight. Yes, it is the Ultralight ISO. I can't show you right now, but it is the Ultralight ISO. So today, we are going to check its RAM limits, like we do in other versions of Windows. So let's start. It's not choppy. It works at 3 GB of RAM. It's very fast. See? And as you can see, no, this is not the normal Windows XP. It definitely isn't. I can't even set the right resolution. And there's nothing in entertainment. In system tools, it's empty. Communications is empty. Only these things are there according to me. Oh, and control panel. And we are going to use the best benchmark ever to see if it is regular usage fine. Windows Explorer. Yes, we are going to use Windows Explorer to find out if it will survive. So let's start. I'm going to be quick to run. Yep, so devices, not processors, memory, memory. And then let's go down to 64 megabytes. Just so you know, previous normal Windows XP had 28 megabytes as the record. Let's see if this one can beat that in increments of 4. So it could do 24, maybe, yes, 24, then 20, 16, 12, like that. Yep, so hello, welcome to Windows XP. And now, will the benchmark work? It is really fast, even faster than my host with 8 gigabytes of RAM. You can see this entire thing. Yeah, processes, and it seems fine. Performance, such a low CPU usage even with 1 core only. Even the threads are a bit wrong according to me, but it works. If I move my mouse, the CPU doesn't spike like usual. Oh, it does. It obviously does. So let's drop it down to 4 megabytes. Now for this experiment, I have thought of a different approach. We'll use 3 gigabytes first, then the official minimum requirement of that OS, and then we'll start and then we'll build from the ground up. So 4 megabytes. And this won't be long for Windows XP. It's XP, it'll boot. But not if Windows NT doesn't found stuff. We can't do anything. Except for Control-Alt-Delete, which leads us over here. Let me show you. This is set Control-Alt-Delete, and it just lands us full screen. So 7 MB. But we'll still see if 8 MB is fine. Maybe it will. It got away from the Windows NT warning. Safe mode. And no. Last one, good configuration. No, it almost showed boot screen. Safe mode with command prompt. test this. Very eager to test this probably. Start with the normal. I think I almost saw blue screen. Safe mode. No. Safe mode with command prompt. No. Safe mode with networking. No. So 16 megabytes. And no, I'm not going to edit this footage unless a disturbing thing comes, because I want you guys to see the whole thing unedited to see how much pain I feel. Start Windows normally. Oh, we got a blue screen. That is progress. Last mode good configuration. Nope. Safe mode. Wait, the blue screen changed. Earlier it is IR fewer, not less or equal. I don't know what that means. In safe mode command prompt, it's bad system config info. I know the second error, it says that, well, it says that it can't read the registry properly. And that is the worst error you can get. So 20 megabytes. Wait, 20, 16. Power on. Start Windows normally. It showed the boot screen, not blue screen, boot screen. If it shows bad system config, it doesn't even show code. Or does it? Wait. Safe mode. It can't do it at 20 megabytes. So if it can't do it at 24, we'll have a tie. Or worse, the super light version will lose. So 24 megabytes. Start Windows normally. It's booting! It's booting! You can do it, Windows XP! Yes! Boot! It's painfully slow at first, but once you understand it, it is fine. I take back my words. This is not fine. This is not fine. Yes, finally. It is taking a lot of time to boot and log in, but it was worth the wait. It was definitely worth the wait. Now the only thing left is to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. What? There's error, but it doesn't show me what the error is. Oh, closing network connections, saving your settings. This seems wrong. Well, guess we are going to do this together. So, I have an idea. I will open Task Manager. I'm not sure if you can see this. Wait, let me just, yeah, Task Manager, and I'll just go down over to the VMware process and terminate it so that I can power on the virtual machine. It will show the inconvenience screen probably, and if it doesn't, we just forcefully do it like this until it shows the screen, and then we'll move into safe mode to get a faster experience. Like and I don't know what that error is because it didn't tell me. So now we wait. We wait for eternity until we die and lose our minds. As soon as I moved my mouse, it did something. It is moving. Move, move, move. Yay! It moved. The great God moved. Yes, this is fast. I take back my words yet again. I don't know where the mouse is. It probably died. But we never know. Because if this thing doesn't boot, how will we know? How will we know this? It's loading. Supposedly. But what if it doesn't load? Applying computer settings. What? This is not the setup. We are booting. And the error. It looks like the error will stay there. I just do this and maybe it'll work. No. So, our guy couldn't beat Windows XP. That's sad. But I have another idea yet again. What if we just click OK to the prompt instead of forcefully closing it? Maybe that's the issue. I'm sorry for making you watch this long, but this is how it has to be. You made me guys wait 2 months, and you have to pay the consequences. It will give that error, and we'll just click OK. Maybe. Okay, guys, it isn't working. So now we have to try 28 megabytes. And let's boot. Okay. It looks like I pressed boot 2 times and my CPU fried. But I don't care. Oh yeah, I don't care. Don't discuss it. It's going to restart probably. Oh no. Okay. And it's now applying computer settings. But it just won't show that log on screen. Okay. My mouse isn't coming and I already pressed enter. Yes, yes, yes. Click. It is applying computer settings. Please load, please load. That error keeps coming. So maybe this guy will lose instead of winning on Windows XP. But just to verify that this isn't some kind of main problem, we are going to again give it 3 gigabytes of RAM to see what happens next. It'll probably boot quickly This is still slow. So it was a RAM issue. So this is losing, but for the sake of this video, I will still move it to 32 megabytes of RAM. Wish me luck. God should wish me luck. So 32 megabytes. I want to go to 32 megabytes, yes. This time, no, don't check the disk. It isn't accepting. So it's still going to restart. Yes, type enter. This guy here, it said that it would be faster. It was slower. So, oh great God, help us. We don't want to live like this. We just want it to boot. No matter what happens, it should boot. It isn't doing anything. Yes, as soon as I said it, it did something. Loading your personal settings. When will it get to computer changes? In half the universe? Okay, I told you that I wouldn't pause the video unless there was a disturbance. But I kind of have to at this point. I'll come back when it is done. It doesn't want to call 32 megabytes, that same error comes. And for some reason my caps lock is on. Yep. So now, wait, what if the error was about caps lock? If the error was about caps lock, we might actually boot this time. Because I have not seen behavior like this ever. That an error comes on an entire big, gigantic 32 megabytes of RAM and there is no explanation. If this is about caps lock, I am going to cry so hard. Yep, it's not about caps lock, thank goodness. Let's jump straight to 36 megabytes, no, 40 megabytes. Cancel. It isn't doing anything. It always shows. Thank you, my curse, for you lifted it. What? No, you are covering my entire screen. And And now time for this. And yes, it works fine, I guess, for its capacity. So we are just going to turn off the computer and yeah, turn off. And now, as we gave it 40 megabytes of RAM, we'll have to check if 36 is it or if 40 it. And we click power on. And we'll see you after the heat death of the universe. I wonder why it always disk checks. And will it do something? Yes, it booted. I don't care. Yep, I don't care. And it works fine. I can browse, maybe? Yep. And just so you know, I gave it 5 megabytes of RAM only. I need to save for this recording. So, thank you guys for watching this video. And as you can see now, the minimum RAM that Windows